Me did the Isaac Jumpo, but me family the great sample and bring one man come near too much G8. Too much G8, more too much. Namen so me I'm more fire.
Mama akwa bashonko back to my GH so money abandona ama obusa I said the issue na ye di issue so there not as a training issues o man yimo ensem de di ka here dear self-fata say we dey etu munim eno ena sabre me dey ebefa training issues so they ask someone na answer na make what ensem so me come say ejumeko so ya say my dey ejumete Ebremo Mama Juliet Ventures. Mama Juliet Ventures ejumeko akodare e kitchen akadie say oven say blenders say halogens de kika bia enchen same papa ye di ye aduane e kitchen matters mo pa o kitchen edimu na wo ba utimi ba kitchen within 5 minutes utimi pie bia no Mama Juliet wojuma nti for the number no na friend no we available 24/7 na ebebi o friend bia so no obejo so kwan boko so ne bo eda form at say obia edimu atanse na me sa kafo loan master ma wo se bronya ide wo de kai boss ronko ede ama abaye dwumayefo wo se eno na wo criteria wo hia so we abaye dwumayni na wo di oketia edific controller and account office na ebiem so no wo affordability wo pay step so eno no so wo we mienta maboso ni ade a ene wedding bia wo pese wonya wo project bia da wonya so holidays bia wo pese wonko wo CK process and so no within 24 hours we make me process loan the amount ama wo wait when yes kapudo no ekura na bia ye wo nyama no na wo via we chere kakra kakra because interest rate in there form boko wo chakra wonte say a few aketio mu na the chat wo need true thing ti mo mo dan so ma bronya we matan ebeba dey amatan echi so beto nyama bebre ne beba ninti so pese wo dan so bon endi mu se na nyama we ni ebeko so riamu ensisa kraye no affect wo dia ene makai no mo dan so enfamo na se ene fe na wa mu je ho abaso de ni true from se metwa ni meet the amount na ewusiafo me ko ensem no eso broadcast journalists are actually doing part of Ghana artists will be any metumete for the past 10 years metre a see apokua adodona anymore as very lady what they ensem for the abetuja efa atete or how any abedia journalist be FM assign about 2020 we are to artists wo do mo ehye bia wo mo information eto abonte ema amansan so etimi ehu bi now, according to Efia Poko, Abrana Wakasa, on the program critical issues, so no, what it just said, and chip there, now what they are to say UTV, baby as I bring you Juma Ewono, one more edgement when you want my chair and conform you, and they say, one more ever what artist, but I don't need somebody about when they say, one more ever become a journalist far, one more ever a hobby. Now, if you want to say, look, grandpa, 18 chain grandpa, a free job. One more about only so many so may shemu bet ma or your journalist or reporters are called Womania for Hania, maybe a talk about one that suma results no idea other suma project or my Ghana obiet me will be no. If you don't this happen, every 2 minutes or years, Edgemano about to upgrade on the 7th of December, they see 9th December year declaration. Amaniko NDC emu enko fact to entosuko ko dia chiro mo sene eno madwumedi o man ye ni ama wo mama ye checho mo aka kesia kesika kese ni apeda dia mo na tese result no wo ma sheda eje ama amaniko bi artist wo nim say ye wiem na so wani prefer say ye wiem eno menti ba nyoma dwuma say journalist o mekasa ma wo man no tese o man no ekoso no wo mo ekasa ma wo mu ye funti na tese threat no Omotra try to say NDC for the answer to but the people they go do to see na amano airboss so they say are going too far to the extent to say enipa mienu na wo eba adwumedi ye wo madwumedi mu ho no ana so madwume mu ho se o go be obi ewu ho no no asa be ya che o mo no eno na ma asem na ye huntu we de entenepa enode ko edema NDC amano ko mpedifo wo mu say so wo ma so re baka enya ye wo supporters kasa chebi na wo mukosua no mutosua eyesa nyama we ade choma wo so wo be sori waka no mu de nsem bia so atwa container for bi ewu because want me enya nye nejuma enfa no kwaredia onim se wo fa to da na tese wo man muni na no enye mboa emfa ma wo man no na eche wo ko ye djuma wie na tese amanyeko bi because wo ni se anko ama no se na se nke enko nti no obedina so e de dwum no mo brabo e de tutu ma na mu da bi wo so mo trase enye hwe han empedu ni sa wo so oni wo ebedi ni nyonyo nti tese nensem enya eno no na ebusa fo ma me empoto no profocus e musa no waka no emfa etwa say the NDC had the election results against them after their protests are now descending on media houses, and we are currently receiving threats from unknown people. Yesterday, 2 people were arrested here at UTV because they were sent to kill. This is unfair. They are claiming we changed the electoral results, which sickens me a lot. In 2012, the New Patriotic Party felt cheated and they took the issue to court, and later peacefully retracted their statement and attacked from them to remain in power. So why can't the NDC do same and leave the media houses out of it? Our cameraman at one polling station had to escape for his dear life with a Pragya car. This is so annoying because we are doing our job. For me, I'm ready to die for the truth. When I'm gone, somebody will come and finish it for me. I just said no. What try e to the page so say e wo bufo kwan so na ne die no ense ko e beto about so na gonna focus da bi o any samanyo ko no ase de wo mo bufushi no e ya trashe the see no mo free say wo mo fighting for mo right and so mo ye protest peaceful protest e de ma e ye the omususu say e ye wo mo eje ayan fa mo no if o mo free mu amase say de bi mo dua no e ye bia say a what tropa because e ba the say say they death threat ebem eche bia na koko anyi do onu nso elebetu just cyber ebule yin bi onu de nkofo mo ba na ni page so ni social media pages so no won so threaten so meku just because say see ade or the teacher kakra e dia ma easy NPP and also wa mo say na program journalist there say the juma ni say information wono de no carry wonya afi ensem no betu da let all dey atuda na ensem no akwetiam na enko say na mo pa akwa bedru wo ha betimi da certain issue ti ade interest say ade wo ma so many bre e dey akoso journalist for say wo mo eyo obejuma won ti ase de ti NDC for kwa ase de wo be ka mo press conference wo mo eyo twa mo de de sumienu isi be declaration we no mo ye no general mosquito wo mo general secretary wo de betu just say si ade wo mo any media houses be any problem because of reject results are one more project here. No go go UTV thing, Angel FM, Joy FM, at say, Womunia or Castle no more ever semi but to credit count, not the view. Womunia media houses are almost private organizations, so Omagasa agent of money with my this Womunia every was pair. Then the just let me add bribe woman here at the same time to project a result against all party. I didn't know most see at the woman to for sure. And the echo media houses and no sano the extra Ghana for who say what years a bit to say bet baba say and say na will be threatening to be a protest na be no protesting on because of no be a kikakono ya to ninti and perifono send a year and fear cocoa lady and ever to done the ya woman and new woman influence no enya kasa chese na be ya nyema bi se no wo metwetwe so no wo mo emfa wo mo protest wo mo no entra mra ema no enkowie wo man Ghana oye ne emu leti abuja for me the best ya wo so adwetwe no wo mo dia na fa so me comment section na bi muso no share video way on all the social media platform follow you our Twitter and Instagram at @tumagh_, Facebook so @tumagh na ama omuso NMD the best ya na me ya doma the best ya to share them makramu.